deliver this CO boiler for Rapid Package 1, CDCI has engaged NAM and 1G for the design, fabrication, and construction. Usually, the boiler will be assembled at site. To gain schedule advantage, we are using the modularized boiler construction strategy. The assembly of the CO boiler package is carried out in the pier located in south of Taiwan, where we can directly access to sea transportation. The boiler is about 30 meters in height and 20 meters in length.
The major purpose of a CO boiler packaging is to convert the CO to CO2 for environmental protection, and the flue gas pass through internal harps tube bundle, then recycle heat to produce superheated steam.
For the lifting of the sidewalls, we need two 500-ton cranes, one 400-ton cranes, and in the peak hours we have 8 cranes in total. 3 cranes will lift the walls vertical. After that, the middle crane will come forwards and the 2 side cranes will be loosened up. We erect the wall on the supports, as you can see, and after that we need to have additional 10-duct supports for stabilization of the unit. Later we will move the cranes to the left side wall and we'll do the same process again for the left side wall, and after that we will erect the top beams to stabilize the unit.
The boiler unit requires a high amount of structural steel to be fabricated and assembled, almost 2,000 tons each. The fabrication work alone was carried out with average of 120 workers. This boiler and the CO combustion module are one of the largest to be assembled with a very tight schedule for the overall fabrication and assembly.
Our major challenge here is to fabricate and deliver modularized CO boiler and CO-incenator with total module weight of 1,885 tons and 350 tons respectively in fast-track schedule. It will be the first and heaviest modularized boiler package to be installed in Petronas facility. As you can see, one of the unit of CO boiler is on the vessel planned to depart today from Taiwan to Rapid project site as per planned schedule. In spite several challenges faced, we managed to deliver this module 1 month ahead of contractual schedule. All of the team's efforts have ensured that the critical path of this project is protected for successful startup of PIC by Q1 2019 safely and within budget. This collaboration will be beneficial for the greater success of Petronas.
The scope of work for the role group is to transport the boiler and co-incinerator from Taiwan to Malaysia. Also, we do the land transport here from Taiwan onto the ship. The challenge during this project was clear communication between all operational parties. The trailer operator controls the movement of the cargo on board of our deck. If we don't have clear communication about what we're doing, serious accidents could happen. Prior to the loadout, we had a toolbox meeting where we had made very clear what the communication lines were and what we would do in case of radio failure. Sailing the vessel from Taiwan to Malaysia takes about 4.5 days.
It's a momentous achievement in the overall project milestone. It will be the first ever modularized boiler package to be installed in any Petronas facility of this size. In this fast-track project, a little slippage will be amplified to an uncontrolled delay, which will finally harm the overall project progress. These boilers here sit on the critical part of the overall facility in this package, not to mention the project, and it must not fail. We initiated the technical, construction and commissioning risk assessment for this specific equipment and got the buy-in from the Petronas Group Technical Solutions and technical professionals in the circle of discussion to ensure proper mitigation is put in place. Early interventions have been made since the engineering phase to ensure every steps were counted in, were measured, were analysed to comply to our project specifications and the Petronas technical standards.
Make the impossible possible.